Here is how you can make the best hair mask for hair growth with garlic and honey. Take 8 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon honey. Next, extract the juice from the cloves of garlic. This should give you about a tablespoon of garlic juice. Then, add 1 tablespoon of honey to the garlic juice and mix well. Now, apply the garlic-honey mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it in for 20 minutes. In the end, wash off the mixture with a mild shampoo. For best results, repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.